Leading the way with corporate responsibility for reducing greenhouse gases from commercial buildings worldwide is Reliable Controls, one of Victoria's largest tech employers. Executive Vice President of Marketing Tom Zaban took us on a tour of his company's fascinating View Royal offices.
Did you know that one of this region's largest high-tech employers is right here in View Royal? With offices worldwide, Reliable Controls is a Canadian-owned and operated high-tech company that is leading the way with computerized building controls that reduce greenhouse gases from buildings. 100% of the research, design, and development is happening right here in this facility, one of the greenest in the region. Leadership at its best. What is it about this building, formerly a parking lot, that's so special?
We are the first and only LEED Platinum certified commercial facility in the township of View Royal. There are only 32 LEED Platinum facilities in this province, of which a full 40% depend on the products that we manufacture in the building behind us. The headquarters annex here is an excellent demonstration of passive building design. And it's a great fit for architects who want to build green buildings in the Pacific Northwest. So when you work inside this building, you don't hear noisy equipment or fans. What you see is just the beautiful wood and glulam timbers that are supplied by Forward Stewardship Council certified suppliers. The building is very, very comfortable. It's a really nice place to work, and it has double the air quality of a standard building. And of course, it's a LEED Platinum facility, so that means this building uses 1/8 of the energy that a normal commercial building in Canada would use.
How is it that what you design and manufacture here affects climate change?
The products we make are freely programmable. And what that means is our authorized dealer network can program any sequence of operation that a green building will need in order to achieve its sustainable goals. That can be something as simple as turning the lights off at the end of the day according to a schedule, or something as complex as detecting the wind velocity and direction and closing exterior dampers to prevent draft. We also service and repair every product we've ever made since 1986. This provides a real advantage to building owners because the control investment that they make can extend for many years to come if the products need repair. So return on investment for their building is very, very high. We are also one of the few manufacturers in the world who not only repair all the products we make, but we also design the software and firmware to be backwards compatible with previous generations. So the board behind me here contains 4 to 5 generations of products that are all completely backwards compatible with the newest products that we make today. And this extends the life cycle of the building and the control systems that are in it, which are a very important part of our sustainability objectives.
How do you deal with stormwater here?
Stormwater management's very important. We collect rainwater off of the roofs of the LEED Platinum building and our North Manufacturing building. And we store that rainwater initially in 2 7.5 cubic meter water tanks. One tank for flushing toilets and another one for irrigating landscape. But before we push any water into the municipal stormwater system, we allow that water, after it overflows through the storage tanks, to come through a water feature here in our courtyard. And the intent here is to create a nice calm space for staff to enjoy for their lunch breaks and barbecues. And then the water overflows and goes through a series of bioswales which detain the water and allow it to naturally soak back into the water table, thereby diverting a significant amount of water which otherwise the municipality would have to deal with.
Tell us about some of your staff incentives that helped you reach your Platinum LEED status.
We provide subsidized transportation for staff with bus passes, BC Pro Pass. We also provide incentives for a round trip if staff decide to walk or bike or carpool to work. We definitely encourage bicycling, and we have enough bicycle shelters and storage facilities for 40% of the occupants of this LEED Platinum facility. And in addition to that, we have a hybrid vehicle that we've purchased specifically for staff use and for either personal or business use while they're in the building.
You really walk your talk, Tom. Wow, look at all these awards. That's impressive. Which ones are you the most proud of?
I think these ones are really quite impressive. As Manufacturer of the Year, Employer of the Year, Technology Employer of the Year, a variety of awards for advertising and contributions to our industry, as well as our EcoStar Award for exemplary use of water in this facility. So in our building here, we use 60% less water than a regular commercial building of this size.